How to craft an employment contract. Creating an employment contract is a crucial step in formalizing the relationship between an employer and an employee. It outlines the terms and conditions of employment, ensuring clarity and legal protection for both parties. This guide will show you how to craft an effective employment contract, including what to do and what to avoid. Key elements that you must include: job title and responsibilities. Clearly define the position, duties, and expectations. This helps to prevent misunderstandings and sets clear performance standards. Compensation and benefits. Specify the salary, payment frequency, and additional benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and bonuses. Transparency and compensation prevents disputes later on. Work schedule. Outline the expected work hours, including any flexibility or remote work options. This sets expectations for availability and the work-life balance of the employee. Duration of employment. Indicate whether the employment is at will, permanent, or for a fixed term. Include any probationary periods and conditions for renewal or termination. Protect sensitive company information by including clauses on confidentiality and non-disclosure. This is essential for safeguarding intellectual property and trade secrets. Non-compete and non-solicitation clauses. If applicable, outline any restrictions on the employee's ability to work with competitors. Ensure these clauses are reasonable and enforceable within the legal guidelines. Termination conditions. Clearly state the conditions under which the contract can be terminated by either party, including notice periods and grounds for immediate dismissal. Dispute resolution. Include mechanisms for resolving disputes such as mediation or arbitration. This will minimize legal costs and court proceedings. What to do first? Preparation. Consult legal experts. Always have a lawyer review the contract to ensure it complies with local labour laws and regulations. Be clear and specific. Use precise language to avoid any ambiguity. Each clause should be easily understood by both parties. Tailor the contract to the individual. Customize contracts to reflect the specific role and responsibilities of the employee, rather than using a generic template. What not to do. Avoid any overly restrictive clauses. Do not include excessively harsh or unreasonable restrictions, especially in non-compete agreements, as these may be deemed unenforceable. Don't neglect updates. Regularly review and update contracts to reflect changes in laws, company policies, or job roles. Don't use ambiguous language. Vague terms can lead to misunderstandings and disputes. Ensure that every aspect of the contract is clearly defined. Crafting an employment contract is a critical task that requires careful consideration of all the various elements. This is to ensure that clarity and legal compliance is fully covered. By including key components such as job responsibilities, compensation, confidentiality, and termination conditions, and by adhering to the best practices, employers can promote their interests and maintain a positive working relationship with their employees.